Hi guys! What are we gonna do today?
Bake.
Again?
Again, yeah.
Why are we gonna bake again?
Because we failed last night.
You say hi. You say hi.
Hi. Today we're gonna be. What are we doing? We're gonna be baking.
What are we baking?
Yeah, what she said. What she said.
What are we baking?
Yeah, we're baking cookies.
4 cups of flour.
Scary.
Wow.
Ano to? Wow, it's so pretty.
Wow.
Ang ganda ko talaga.
Ang sapad.
Ay, I'm so proud of you. Wala ka ba? Hindi.
I wanna eat chocolate chips.
Kung ikaw gumawa na.
1 teaspoon of baking soda.
Oh, yan. Tapos lagay mo dyan. Uy, gunon! Itap mo yung sifter. Yan.
1 1/2 teaspoon of cornstarch. 1/2 teaspoon of salt.
Okay, next. Okay. But you're covering the camera.
1/2 cup of white sugar and 1/2 cup of brown sugar.
Stop. Sige. Sige. Sige.
Okay, sugar tastes yummy.
Sige, itsaga. Sige. Kasi may butter. Okay guys, this is 1 egg and 1 egg yolk.
Tapos yung pag-mix niyan, anak, medyo mabilis ha.
Ano bitsa mo kan? Ano bitsa mo?
Pwede yung butter pa, yung wooden spoon. Kaya yung whisk, pwede na pa.
Sige, step. Bilisan mo step. Yan. Let's get the wooden spoon. Let's scrape the butter. Scrape it. Then put it in here.
Ay, nalimutan natin gumawa.
Meron pa? Yeah, very good. Dalawa po.
Please, I'm begging you, please.
Di ba kapon na... Ay. Wait. 14 Jaden. Jaden 14!
Can I get white chocolate?
Yeah. What's...
Fruits and nuts kasi. Tayo. Makasyalan ka lang mag-alay ah.
Vlog. Say hi to Ma'am Elena.
Hi, Mama Lana. I wanna get a haircut. Okay.
We're gonna wait for the cookies to freeze. Hi, so... Ay, wash hands. Let's wash our hands.
Okay.
What clothes? Only light, Stephanie.
Mga bata?
Say, okay, kids, wash your hands. Say, tell the kids to wash their hands. That's brown.
What are you doing? Just wait for
No,
me.
stop.
I like to water bend, so come here.
Go, water bending. You take.
I'm so sick. My voice is getting deeper and deeper by the second.
Your voice? Oh my gosh, you're gonna be a man, Hannah.
Go, Hannah. Go.
Ashok, you put the shop Hannah washing your hands.
Thank.
Do? What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna put it
In what?
in the oven.
Okay.
Look at my chocolate chips.
Alright. Sa gitna, nak.
Hindi gitna. Isa pa. Yan. Oh, hinipan pa.
Bit, dalawa kamay mo, ha? Yan.
Okay na.
Do you know what I'm saying?